Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to look how index match function works. Index match function is something if we know the index of a value by using match function we can find the index of a value in a given data set. If we know the position we can find the value of that suits for that position. By using these two methods, that means index function and match function, it has combined as in index match function to find a particular value that related to another particular value. For an example, if we need to find this data, that means name Kamal, age, height, weight, what we can do is we can use that index match function like this. First of all, we need to add a list for this cell of these names like this. Now we have added list of names for this cell. We need to find name Kamal, age, height, weight. We can use this index match function like this. Our screen range is this, and since it won't change we can add $sign like this. Then what we need to find is this Kamal position and Kamal's age, height, weight. So we type like this. We need to use match function to find the range of this name is this, and it also won't change, so we add $signs like this. Won't change means is static. This name contains within this range only, it won't change, that's why we add $signs like this. And what we are looking is within this range name Kamal's that's exactly match value. Then we need to find this value position, so we use match function again, and we are looking is this age first, so we give this cell reference here, and this value in this dataset contained within this range, that also won't change, so we add $signs like this. The advantage of adding these $signs is we can simply use this equation, this function, for find height, weight. Just drag and drop the value of this, the square of this cell. Here in this match function what we are looking is this age values position that exact match within this range, so it also give here 0 like this. Now our function is complete. The age of this Kamal is 20. We can simply drag and drop like this, then automatically height weight of this data Kamal updated. We can find its value, other values like this. That's how index match function work. Thanks for watching.